today we have this.
Oh wow, what is
Has
this?
peppers and tomatoes and muscadines.
Muscadine, and we're gonna pick more muscadines?
Yes.
And this is what, organic? Organic foods! Oh yeah. Muscadines. See? Not like that. Like that. Here, look, a lot right here. Those three, see? On the bottom, yeah. Wow, you got a lot of muscadines. Yeah?
Yeah.
Very cool. Wow. All these muscadines.
Almost need a bigger bowl.
Oh yeah. There's we like it. This is organic stuff. This is organic Georgia, look. Georgia muscadines. Wow. See? And then we have to wash them. And oh my goodness, they're gonna be so delicious. So delicious, so delicious. Picking muscadines. This is Deer loves this food. Deer, everybody, all the animals. Wow, so many of them. Oh man, stepped on the light.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, fun, no. We need a bigger plate, yeah? Wow, looks so nice. One right here. Oh, see, we picking good. This is all gonna get washed, so don't think it's nasty that we're getting from the ground. That's why we have washing, water and stuff. Okay, keep dropping them. Oh yeah, baby. What's going on? Wow, so beautiful. Thank you for watching our organic growing channel. Thank you. Yeah, drop some more. Very nice. We keep picking and picking. Do this for days. Thank you so much. Oh, bye. Peace.